Here in this question number 12, it is given two poles of height 6 and 11 meter. One pole is of 6 meter, another is of 11 meter. Distance between their feet is 12 meter. This is distance between the feet of the pole, which is 12 meter. We have to find out distance between their top. This is top of one pole, top of another pole. We have to find out this distance. We'll draw a line here that will be parallel to this base. So this angle will be 90 degree. It is E. Since it is 12, it will be 12. From here to here, it will be 6 because it is 6. 11 minus 6, 5. This height will be 5. Now in triangle CDE, we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. CD square equals to EC square plus ED square. EC is 12, ED is 5, 144 plus 25, which is 169. So CD will be equal to 13 meter. Answer. Here in the question number 13, it is given D and E are points on the side CA and CB of triangle ABC, right angled at C. We have to prove this one. AE. This is AE. The triangle including this AE is ACE. We'll take this right triangle. AE square equal to AC square plus EC square. This is by PGT number 1. Then BD, right triangle with BD. In triangle BCD, BD square, BC square plus CD square. BC square plus CD square. This is also by PGT number 2. Add first and second. AE square plus BD square. AC square plus BC square. EC square plus CD square. AC square plus BC square is AB square. So here it is AB square. EC square plus CD square is C and CD. It will be ED square. Hence proved. Here it is given BD equal to 3CD. BD equal to 3CD. To this BD we can write it is BC minus CD. So here it is BC minus CD equal to 3CD. We'll shift this term on this side. 3 plus 1, 4 CD. So CD is 1/4 of BC. Now here we need AB square. AB square means we have to take the triangle ABD. In triangle ABD, AB square equals to AD square plus BD square. This is by PGT number 1. Then we need this AC. So take this triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, AC square equals to AD square plus CD square. This is also by PGT number 2. Now, if we shift this on this side, we get 2AB square minus 2AC square. Means this minus this we need. So, by first minus second, AB square minus AC square equal to. This will cancel with this one. And we will remain with BD square minus CD square. Since BD is 3 times of CD, we'll write here 3 CD and whole square means 9 CD square minus CD square, which is 8 CD square. So AB square minus AC square equal to 8, and CD means this. Square of this will be 1 upon 16 BC square. Cancel these. Shift this 2 on the left hand side. It will be 2AB square minus 2AC square and equals to BC square. We can shift this to AC square on this side. 2AB square equals to 2AC square plus BC square. Hence proved. Here it is given ABC is an equilateral triangle and this BD is 1/3 of BC. BD equal to 1/3 of BC. So we can draw a perpendicular here. This construction we are doing, AP perpendicular is drawn to BC. This construction we have done. BP, since it is an equilateral triangle, in the equilateral triangle altitude is median also. So BP will be equal to half of BC. Now we'll find out DP. DP is BP minus BD. BP minus BD will be equal to DP. BP is half BC. BD is 1/3 of BC. We'll take the LCM of these two. 6 LCM, 3 BC minus 2 BC. So it is 1 upon 6 BC. DP is equal to 1 upon 6 of BC. Now in triangle ADP, we will use this right triangle and apply Pythagoras theorem. AD square equal to AP square plus DP square. Now we have to replace this AP, and to replace this AP we are using the triangle ABP. AP square is AB square minus BP square plus DP. DP is 1 upon 6 BC square. AP square is replaced by this one and DP is replaced by this one. AB square minus BP square. Square of this is 1 upon 4 BC square plus 1 upon 36 BC square. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides are equal. So AB square minus 1 upon 4, this BC is replaced by AB. AB square 1 upon 36 AB square. Take the LCM here, 36 LCM, 36 AB square minus 9 AB square plus 1 AB square, which is equal to 27 upon 36 AB square. 36 or 137. 37 minus 9, 28. So it is 28 AB square upon 36. Cancel it by 4. It is 7 and 9. Shift this 9 on this side. 9 AD square is equal to 7 AB square. Hence proved. Here in this question number 16, it is given in an equilateral triangle, prove that the 3 times the square of one side is equal to 4 times the square of one of its altitude. 3 times square of one side is 4 times square of its altitude. ABC is an equilateral triangle. Since it is an equilateral triangle, this altitude will behave like a median also. So this D will be midpoint of this BC. We can say BD is equal to half of BC because altitude and median of an equilateral triangle coincide. Now in triangle ABD, in this triangle we'll apply the Pythagoras theorem. AB square to AD square plus BD square. AB square equal to AD square plus BD. BD is half of BC. The square of this will be 1 upon 4 BC square. Take 4 LCM. Here it is 4 AD square plus BC square. Shift this 4 on this side. 4 AB square, 4 AD square plus BC square. Since it is an equilateral triangle, all the three sides of the triangle are equal. So we can replace this AB by BC. It is BC square. 4 AD square plus BC square. Shift this BC square on this side. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 will be 3. BC square equals to 4 AD square. Hence proved. This question is proved here.